Hello everyone, myself Dr. Subodh Eknath Rao Bhandarkar and I am working as Associate Professor at Department of Chemistry, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati. As you know, our institute has organized a e-conference on the topic Strategies and Challenges in Higher Education during COVID-19 lockdown period in India with reference to world. So thank you for being a part of this conference. I welcome you all. Our main motto behind this conference is to bring awareness about COVID-19 to India and a whole world. COVID-19 is a disease which affects on the respiratory organ of human body. This disease is originated from Wuhan, China. First, they named this virus as Novel Coronavirus Disease 2019, that is nCoV-19. Then, World Health Organization, that is WHO, named it as COVID-19. That means nothing but Coronavirus Disease 2019. This virus has come from family of coronavirus. Indian population is nearly 130 crores. And you just remember, it's your experience also that India's markets, railway stations, bus stations are highly crowded. So it is very difficult to apply strategies. Our population does not permit it. Who are public? We are the public. So we have to improve. If we wish to eliminate COVID-19 from India, then only people, which means I, or which means us, can do it. If anyone suffers from symptoms like fever, breathing problem, coughing, toughness of chest, running nose, headache, feeling unwell, pneumonia, etc., they hide and try to save themselves from quarantine. Even people run from hospital, which is not good. If you are suffering from COVID-19, then it requires treatment. By running through hospital, how problem can be resolved? If we point one finger towards public, then these three fingers are towards us. So it is major responsibility of people, meaning us, to eliminate COVID-19 from India. According to World Health Guidelines, this virus is highly contagious and it spreads through the small droplets from the nose or mouth, which are sprayed when a person cough or sneeze. Touching an object or surface with these droplets and then touching your mouth, nose or eyes before washing your hands may also cause corona. Or close personal contact such as touching or shaking hand, that may also be responsible to cause corona. It means that our responsibilities in this tragic situation is very high. So what we have to do is to follow rules and regulation of the government. Prime Minister is requesting us to be in home during lockdown. So there must be something serious thing in it. Think about it. We have to follow the rules of lockdown, but for even a small things, we go outside. Please don't do that. This is request to public, society and people of India. If you follow the rules for 14 days, the coronavirus will be in control, but people does not do that. So what can public, it means what can I do or what can we do? Wash hand with soap and water or alcohol based hand rub. Cover nose and mouth when coughing and sneezing with a tissue or flex elbow. Avoid close contact and maintain 1 meter distance with anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Isolation of a person traveling from affected countries or places. For them, quarantine of at least 14 days is advised. Be your own protector. Save yourself from corona. This is what public, that means I or we can do. There should be research on public mentality, behavior and management from point of view of corona. so that we can go deep inside people's mindset. It is my request to researchers to keep a track of record on this idea too. Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi ji, already announced that young researchers should come forward and bring the vaccination on the coronavirus. Scientists are doing their work very well. Teachers are also busy in online teaching. They are using various softwares and even mobile applications. They are learning computers and doing their work. But as a public, we are not doing our work in a proper way. We have to do our work. So remain at home and stay safe and keep social distance. Even you observe doctors are doing their duty. Policemen are doing their duty for our safety. What we are thinking is that police are outside. They may hit us, so don't go outside. But we can't understand our responsibilities. So why can't us? Most of the peoples are living in some areas and rural areas, and they are not aware regarding this virus, its causes, its incubation period, etc. Due to lack of information and fake message and rumors on social media, it may spread rapidly. So we have to make them situation aware to them too. And here, research and right information given by WHO and government is at utmost need. There is poverty in India. There are many people who live even on the road. So it is also important to inform them and save them from this COVID-19. So it is necessary to save them from COVID-19 as well as from hunger. To make Indian people aware about COVID-19 is the main motto of this conference. Thank you for the patient listening. I hope that you will cooperate by stay home and work at home policy.